take a look now at what we're experiencing. You saw it behind us, and now you can see it on the radar and satellite. Cloud coverage that has zoomed back into the area. That happened gradually as the day went on. We started off just a bit sunny, and then the clouds came back, and that's where we're at now. Current temperatures, 64 degrees in Fredericksburg, 64 in Mason, 66 out towards Llano, Austin around 67 degrees, LaGrange at around 68, Bastrop at 68, and Georgetown at around 67 degrees. Tonight, though, 55. That's a bit warmer than what we hit this morning. I was looking at some of the numbers. The Austin Bergstrom International Airport dropped down to 38. And now we're looking at 55. So big changes here. We're looking at about 10 degrees warmer tonight than what we were this morning. And we do have a 20% chance of rain tacked onto that as well. But a majority of that should be early in the morning compared to, midnight or 1 a.m., just so that way you know. We look at your temperatures for tomorrow. By 9 a.m., we're looking at about 60 degrees. And unfortunately, tomorrow is expected to be a bit warmer. Remember, average temperatures around this time of year is in the mid-60s to low 60s. And now we're looking at temperatures moving back to around 74 to 75 degrees in many spots, even by about 3 p.m., 4 p.m. before we start to cool down one more time into the 60s by 7 p.m. So again, 10 degrees above average temperature, not where we want to be, but we'll take it for now. At least it's not 80s or 90s out there. We play this out a bit more there tomorrow morning. This is what I was talking about. We'll stop the clock here at 8 a.m. There's a couple of showers that are going to try to make a run for central Texas. I don't expect a full washout, and the majority of that should be out towards the metro and out towards the eastern counties. But look at what happens on Tuesday. I stopped it here, and you see that we have a chance of rain picking up. Some of it could be thunderstorms that roll through, but you'll notice at the end of that, it was mostly out towards the eastern counties. So Christmas Eve, this is what I'm putting there for Tuesday, 74 as a high. For a low overnight, 58 degrees. PM storms possible, but mostly towards the eastern counties. It doesn't mean that everyone won't get showers, and I'm saying it's only going to be in the eastern counties. But as of now, the Storm Prediction Center keeping the marginal risk mostly for Burnett, Blanco, and out towards the east compared to those out towards the hill country where we're just looking at general thunderstorms as a possibility. And general thunderstorms just means you're going to get some showers, maybe, and then that's pretty much it. This has a better chance of seeing maybe a thunderstorm or two pass by. I don't expect there to be any hail associated with this, mostly just strong winds, maybe some pockets of heavy showers as well. Play this out. There's a lot going on. This is ahead of a front, not the strongest front, actually kind of a weak front that's going to pull through. That's what's going to give us that lift and those showers that we could see. Wednesday, mostly calm, and then as we get out towards Thursday, another front starts to make its way through. Again, drier air behind that too. Not very strong fronts. They're not going to make a whole ton of difference for us. In fact, the amount of rainfall, still only looking at maybe 1/4 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch. And then out towards the west, you're looking at maybe 1/10 of an inch. And that's pretty much it. So again, no real big changes. And the temperatures aren't going to change very much. In fact, I put Santa by the beach more than anything else because we're going to be at around 73 degrees compared to us being at our average, which is 60s and lows in the 40s. We're not making it. Look at these lows. 56 early in the morning, 62 Thursday morning. As we get out towards Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, temperatures stay at around 75 to 76 degrees.